If you're thinking about enrolling in the IBM Introduction to Project Management and want to know exactly what you'll learn, who it's best for, and whether it's worth your time, this video breaks it all down. Plus, I'll show you how to enroll for free using the links in the description. Welcome to Business Training Media, where we review top-rated online courses, certifications, and professional training to help you make smarter career decisions. Today, we're reviewing IBM's Introduction to Project Management, a beginner-friendly course developed by IBM designed to help professionals build real-world project management skills. This beginner-friendly course is designed for aspiring project managers, business professionals, career changers, and anyone who wants to understand how projects are planned and executed in real organizations. It has already enrolled over 155,000 learners, showing strong global interest and credibility. If you'd like to explore the syllabus or enroll as you watch, you'll find direct links in the description. This course is a strong fit if you are new to project management. Want structured, beginner-friendly online training? Are building skills for roles like project coordinator, project manager, operations associate, or team lead. Prefer flexible, online learning you can complete on your schedule. If you're already an experienced project manager with years of hands-on experience, some sections may feel introductory. But for beginners or professionals transitioning into management, this course provides a solid foundation. Throughout this course, you'll learn how to define what a project is and understand the project lifecycle. Identify key project management methodologies, including agile and traditional approaches. Understand the role of a project manager and core responsibilities. Create basic project documentation and planning frameworks. Manage scope, time, cost, and risk at an introductory level. Communicate effectively with stakeholders and team members. You'll also gain clarity on how project management applies across industries, from tech and healthcare to marketing and operations. These are practical job-relevant skills, not just theory. If these skills align with your goals, you can start learning today by enrolling through the links in the description. The course is delivered fully online in a self-paced format, making it ideal for working professionals and students. The course includes short instructional videos, knowledge checks and quizzes, structured modules that build progressively, and downloadable resources in some sections. Most learners complete the course in a few weeks if following the suggested pace, but you can move faster or slower depending on your schedule. Upon completion, you'll earn a shareable certificate from IBM that you can add to your LinkedIn profile or resume. Here's what makes this course stand out. A recognized certificate of completion from IBM. Clear, beginner-focused instruction. Practical frameworks you can apply immediately. Flexible online access with the option to enroll for free and upgrade later. If you're exploring a long-term path in project management, this course can serve as a stepping stone toward more advanced certifications or full professional certificates. It's especially useful if you want structured guidance without committing to a full degree program. With over 155,000 learners enrolled, this course demonstrates strong demand and broad appeal. Many learners appreciate the clear explanations, structured lessons, and approachable format, particularly those new to project management concepts. That level of enrollment adds credibility and signals that this course has helped thousands build foundational project skills. To get started, click the links in the description and enroll today for free. If you're serious about growing your career, watch this next video. It walks through the exact skills employers look for in today's market. Subscribe for weekly professional training, and I'll see you in the next guide.